Hey there, my name is Ajish, and today I'm going to show you how to flash any Linux ISO onto any of your USBs. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to go to your browser and search up Balena Etcher. Then you're going to go to the first result, etcher.balena.io. Then click on Download Etcher. Then choose any of your OS platforms. For example, if you're using Windows, go for download the Windows version. If you're using Mac OS, go to Mac OS. And for Linux, you know the drill. I'm gonna download Windows because I am using Windows. Now you'll go to the downloads and you should see the Balena Etchers set up downloading. And when it's finished, you can run it. It may take some time. Also, you don't need the browser for now. Okay, now for this step, you should plug in your USB. I'm going to use a 32 gigabyte USB. I'm gonna plug it in to my computer. Now I'm gonna choose the ISO. So wherever I download my ISO, I'm going to go to there. So I put my ISO in the downloads folder, and then you should see your ISO. You can download your Linux ISO from archive.org or the distro's website, for example, the Linux Mint website. Now choose select your US target, or which is USB. Now you're gonna go select your USB. Mine is the verbatim store and go USB. So that, and also if you have multiple USBs that you want to flash the same ISO to, you can plug them into your computer and you can flash all of those. Now select one, flash. If you now click on yes if you're the administrator. So just remember you may need to be on the administrator account to do this. Now depending on your USB speed, it may take some time, so I'll get back to you. Now would you look at that? Your USB is ready. Now if you want to flash another USB, you can click on this button, but since I'm finished, I can just click on the close button. Now I have my USB ready and I can flash it and I can install Linux onto any computer that I'd like to install Linux on.